Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. I wish you all a very happy, prosperous, and safe Deepavali and a blessed year ahead. Alright, so today we are going to do a karmic and a soul lessons reading. This will be a general reading, guys, and this is a timeless reading. So, whenever you come across this reading might have some insights for you. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have here. If you're looking for a more accurate and personal reading, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me via email. My email ID is mentioned on the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So let's see first which where you are being tested right now. I mean, what lesson you are learning right now. Let's see. What are the lessons that you are learning right now? What is the lesson that you are learning right now and you need to learn right now? Okay, High Priestess. Okay, harness mystic power. Okay, all right. So here it says that you have the ability to think and understand what your soul is actually looking for. But आप कहीं ना कहीं आप ना बाहर के लोगों के ओपिनियन पे ज़्यादा डिपेंड हो. लोग आपको एडवाइस करते हैं, लोग आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आपको ऐसे करने की ज़रूरत है या आप ऐसा स्टेप लीजिए. Rather, you need to listen to your own instinct, you need to listen to your own intuition because your soul knows what is that you need to do. Okay, so it's like you have the power, you have everything, and you need to focus on that basically instead of depending on the things from the opinion or the suggestions from the outside world. Try to listen to your own inner voice. Okay, and you need to focus on doing things what makes you happy. जो चीज आपको खुश करती है, आपको उस चीज पे ध्यान देना है. You need to bask in joy and light. Okay, so don't dim your light. Okay, अगर कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको करना पसंद है एंड बिकॉज दूसरों के ओपिनियन की वजह से आप वो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो समवेयर यू आर डिमिंग योर लाइट, यू आर नॉट गिविंग योर सेल्फ दैट हैप्पीनेस विच you feel like you deserve. Okay, especially in that case where you are not hurting anybody and you are not depending on anybody. Okay, so us case mein it's more important that you need to listen to your inner voice, you need to listen to your soul's whisper and focus on what is that your soul is trying to say. Okay, now let's see where you are being tested. Where you are being tested, which area basically, which aspect of your life you are being tested. Okay, all right, we'll take this. Heart guardian. Maybe for some of you now this depends on case to case. Okay, so this can be for very specific that you are somewhere not letting yourself अपने आप को आप ओपन नहीं कर रहे हो फॉर लव एंड फॉर दैट लविंग एनर्जीज टू कम. All right, somewhere you are afraid of the past experiences, you are afraid of the hurt. आपको अगर पहले if you have gone through a heartbreak kind of situation, a betrayal, a disappointment in love, then somewhere you are protecting yourself a lot, that you are not putting your guards down. Your guards are too high and you are somewhere not opening up. Okay, so it's like you are you need to understand that love and you let yourself be loved. As I was saying, right, you deserve to be happy, you deserve to be loved, so you don't have to keep your guards up depending on the past experiences. Okay, so you need to open up, you need to be in this energy that basically healing and coming out of that past wounds. Okay, healing those past wounds and coming out of it. It's like trust in the unknown. So don't judge everything based on the past experiences. You need to trust in the unknown. As I was saying, you need to listen to your instinct, right? Maybe you are taking the opinion of the other people and not listening to your heart, your soul, and your soul is saying for you to get ready. All right, or at least trust people, or give yourself one more chance, something like that. Okay, but you are somewhere too afraid of focusing on that and keeping your guards too high, or too keeping yourself closed off. Yeah, for many of you, for a few of you, it can be related to your love life, related to your heart, that you need to work towards it. Okay, now let's see what is the guidance you have from your higher self. What is the guidance you have from the higher self? What is the guidance you have from your higher self? What is the guidance? I think on card flipped. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. We'll take both. See, it's a sage and mountains. Okay, stand your ground and be devoted and committed. Okay, so here it's like whatever is that, as I said, your soul knows what you need to focus on. So you need to, this card also says that you need to write down your past experiences, whatever is stopping you from moving ahead in your life. You need to write down everything and you know uh, understand what is that it is trying to teach you. Is it a specific pattern जो आपके आपकी लाइफ में बार बार हो रहा है, and instead of focusing on the lesson आप आप wound पे focus कर रहे हो. So sometimes you need to write it down, whatever is bothering you, whatever is stopping you, need to focus on that and try to understand the lesson you are being taught by the universe, which you may not be giving attention to. So that is what the message is. And also that you need to stand your ground. As I was saying, you don't have to let yourself you know uh, be controlled by the outside world, by the people around. So if you don't feel something is right, you don't have to go as per the people's opinion. अगर आपके हिसाब से कोई चीज सही नहीं है तो वो सही नहीं है. It can be how you आप किसी की, आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी, आपको वाइब्रेशन किसी की मैच नहीं होती है, आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी डिफरेंट है, आपको लोगों की वाइब मैच नहीं होती है. तो यू डोंट हैव टू फोर्स योरसेल्फ टू फिट इन. Okay, just because you belong to or you fit in a particular group doesn't mean you belong there. Okay, so that is what you need to understand. if you don't feel like आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, आपको महसूस नहीं होता है, वो कनेक्शन महसूस नहीं होता है, तो you need to focus on what is that you believe in and what is that other person or the people around make you believe in. Okay, you don't have to change your beliefs, change your morals because of other people and by the fear of judgment. Okay, now let's see how can you move forward with grace. How can you move forward with grace? All right, I think we have to. Yes. Yep. See, first is be graceful in the movement and action. So as I was saying, you don't have to, depend on other people. Do what you feel like doing, what your soul is saying you need to do. Healing through the lineage. Maybe you are someone who is, who is going through a challenge in your life, which none of the other family member in your life would, in your family or in your, the complete lineage would have gone through. तो हो सकता है आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा चैलेंज है जिसको आप फेस कर रहे हो, या आपने कुछ ऐसा चैलेंज फेस किया है जो आपके पूरे लीनेज में किसी और ने नहीं किया है, एंड यू आर लाइक समवेयर हीलिंग. ओके, अगर आप अपने लिए स्टैंड लेते हो ना, तो समवेयर यू माइट बी द वन, as we say, like the chosen one, right, to heal the what do you say, ancestors healing jo hota hai. I don't know if you are aware of this term or you believe in all this, but yeah, this thing happens. Okay, so it's like one person in the whole family will be the one who will break the unhealthy patterns, okay, which were followed for जनरेशन बाय जनरेशन. ओके, सो कोई एक पर्सन ऐसा होता है जो अनहेल्दी पैटर्न्स को, या फिर जो बिलीफ सिस्टम्स, या जो कल्चर, जो व्हाटएवर इट इज, व्हाटएवर वे यू कॉल इट, जो अभी के लाइफ के हिसाब से या प्रैक्टिकली विच इज नॉट गुड फॉर द एंटायर फैमिली और द मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली, देन वो पैटर्न को ब्रेक करके दे क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू. ऑलराइट, सो यू मे बी समबडी हु इज healing the lineage by breaking the old unhealthy patterns or the belief systems. All right, so maybe it can be again for very specific and very few that this situation may resonate, but yeah, that is what is happening right now. Okay, so you need to take action, you need to be graceful and be courageous, be confident. Don't keep your guards too high. For this thing is somewhere in the love life of the people I'm seeing, that you need to heal, you need to heal yourself, you need to heal the wound. Maybe for some of you who are very specific, that your parents, your grandparents, great grandparents would have lived that pain, and now you don't have to carry it or give it to the coming generations. All right, so you need to break that unhealthy pattern, whatever it was, because of which the people in the family were suffering, and you need to heal the ancestors and the coming generation. All right, so that is what it is. Yeah. So it's like one person in the family is, and generally one person in the family is the one who will, who comes with this, with this life purpose, that they will break the unhealthy patterns and bring the positive changes in the life, so that whatever the issues were there in the family, that can be healed. It is called ancestors healing. And there is a particular way, there are a couple of ways to do that, and sometimes the simplest is by breaking the unhealthy patterns. All right, so please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.